বহুকাল বন্ধ সমস্ত বিনোদন ক্ষেত্রের কাজকর্ম, কিন্তু ধীরে ধীরে আনলক পর্ব প্রস্তুতি শুরু হওয়ায় সমস্ত ইভেন্ট ও অনুষ্ঠানের কাজকর্ম পুনরায় নিজেদের গতিতে ফেরার চেষ্টা করছে। আজ এমনই এক ইভেন্টের আয়োজন করা হয়েছে বালিগঞ্জের কলকাতা পেন্ট্রি রেস্টুরেন্টে। এই অনুষ্ঠানটির নাম ছিল আও গুপ্তাগু করে, যার উদ্যোক্তা ছিলেন তানভীর খান এবং ডক্টর সামিনা খান। এই ইভেন্ট ছিল মূলত নারীদের নিয়ে, যেখানে তারা নিজেদের কিছু অনুপ্রেরণামূলক গল্প সবার সামনে তুলে ধরতে পারেন।
নমস্কার, টুডেস বাংলার পর্দায় সকল দর্শককে জানি স্বাগত। ওমেন্স এম্পাওয়ারমেন্ট নিয়ে তো আমরা অনেকেই বলি, বাট কতজন বা আমরা এরকম ইন্সপায়ারিং গল্প জানি। আজ আমরা চলে এসেছি কলকাতা পেন্ট্রিতে, যেখানে আজ অর্গানাইজ করা হয়েছে একটি ইভেন্ট। চলুন এনাদের কাছ থেকে শুনে নেওয়া যাক কিছু ইন্সপায়ারিং স্টোরি।
This is Pooja Kapoor. I am the owner of Sansa by Pooja Kapoor and Kaira by Pooja Kinaspiti. I feel really very nice being a part of this event, which is Kolkata Heroes presents Aao Guftagu Kare. It's something about feeling good between all the women around here, and हम अपनी stories share कर रहे हैं. So Sansa is very proud to be associated with this event, which gives us strength and helps each one of us to hold another woman and help them rising. So I'm very happy to be part of it.
Hi, this is Vinita Singh, President of Lions Club Kolkata Challengers and the co-founder of Queen's Entertainment. This event is second time I'm coming to this event. Absolutely fabulous. We come across many new stories and many new introductories पार्ट। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो चाहते हैं कि अपनी स्टोरी, इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी जो लोगों तक पहुंचाए, वो आओ गुफ्तगू से हम लोग पहुंचा रहे हैं, मतलब तनवीर खान जी पहुंचा रहे हैं। एंड या एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग होस्ट एंड क्यूरेटर समीना खान जी जो हैं, वो सीरियसली शी गिव्स एंड एक्सप्लेन्स अस लॉट ऑफ हर लाइफस्टाइल। सो टोटली बहुत fulfilled activity and event tha ye. So that's all what I can say. Please come and see how the life teaches us. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Nisha Saluja. As a homemaker, teacher, entrepreneur, running my own kitchen, my cloud kitchen, my home kitchen. It's a vegetarian kitchen. And if you want to order any platter, I'm always there to serve. So my contact number is 7003237775. Today I'm here to spend Aao Guftagu, again the season 2, in Kolkata Pantries with Queen's Entertainment and Kolkata Heroes with Tanveer Khan and Dr. Samina Khan. So this evening is very precious and the theme was very different. And today we all ladies have, promote ourselves, whoever is into whatever business, they exchange their cards. We had a very lovely high tea party out here. And plus I'm a stage director and coming up with a program, India Top Model 2021 with Tanveer Khan sir on 31st July. So what else? Keep rocking and be positive. We all are going positive in this pandemic period. Be safe and keep smiling. Thank you so much.
Good evening. I am Dr. Samina Khan, one of the curators of Aao Guftagu Kare. हमारा ये प्रोग्राम आओ गुफ्तगू करे was started from a guftagoo session between my favorite, my brother Tanveer Khan and myself here itself in Kolkata Pantry. And our intention was that whatever we do, whatever has happened in the world, it has all happened because of discussion. So why not have a discussion session to empower women? Women are born empowered. They have the power and strength to make changes, to bring changes. But yes, how we look at them, how we treat them, what views and thoughts we have about them, that matters. And that is the reason the women are considered to be creatures who need support or help. But no, we don't need support or help. Rather, we need to support ourselves first and then each other. So we thought of having this session where we can meet each other, share each other's story, connect with each other and create that aura of empowerment all over. Create that aura of positivity all over. Right now, throughout in this world, we are facing a lot of negativities, So why not have a strong vibe which we can share and care, and thus discard all other negativities around. We had a lovely session here. This is the second session that we have. In the previous session we had women who are empowered and who are confident. This session again we had some who had come in the first one and have come here again. New guests also we had, but then again when we are going home back, we are carrying the same goodness, the same positivity, feeling more empowered and happier. I thank Kolkata Pantry. I thank my dearest brother Tanveer Khan for being with me to support all goodness. I thank Tolly Talks for always being by our side for the media coverage. I thank Sansa by Pooja Kapoor for sponsoring us and supporting us throughout. And I also thank you for being here, having me here and bearing me with me. Hope we spread the goodness and try to make the change that we have planned for. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful life ahead.
A very unusual award was given, which is never given anywhere. That is an outstanding Kolkata hero mother-in-law, and that was my mother-in-law. She just passed away a few months back. But then that was an unusual, and I feel very happy and contented that what she deserved I gave her before she went away. Because माँ को तो मिल जाता है, माँ को मिलता है, बीवी को मिलता है, सास को कभी भी नहीं मिलता है. मगर he said that it's an unusual example, so we should talk to people. Like women have various roles. कभी कोई ये नहीं बोलता कि सास को कैसा होना चाहिए. So she was an unusual mother-in-law for me. She was not a mother-in-law, maybe माँ से भी बढ़ के थी, because उन्होंने जो सिखाया है मुझे ना, the principles of life, how to live life. Like yesterday was my birthday. She expired on 6th May. So मैंने उनसे सीखा है कि जो चले जाते हैं वो तो मेमोरीज दे के जाते हैं, लेकिन जो जिंदा है उनके साथ जियो, क्योंकि जब वो चले जाएंगे तो सिर्फ हम उनको याद करेंगे. तो मुर्दों को तो सिर्फ याद ही कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो जिंदा है उनके साथ तो जी सकते हैं, तो क्यों ना जिए. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
सुनिए आप छोटे-छोटे टुकड़े अब डाइट में हो, मुझे पता नहीं तो तरह फोन करेगी मुझे. Hello everyone, so I'm Tanveer Khan. We had a lovely event today which is called Aao Guftagoo Kare. This is the second edition, and we are very happy to execute this under the umbrella of Kolkata Heroes, which is a platform to connect people. And with this note, I would like to pay my gratitude and a thankful note to Dr. Shamina Khan, who has been a lovely support to me to curate this. And we had a lovely audience today, though after the pandemic we do receive a lot of cost calls, like where they're concerned about their families and whether they would like to attend, but then can we do it like online. But yes, we did a very small way, but then the success we can see. And I would like to thank each and everyone. We shared a lot of lovely stories. It was all the positive everywhere. And I would like to thank all of my partners, starting from Sansa by Pooja Kapoor, then my home kitchen, Kolkata Pantry, and all the other super supportive partners for being a great support to help and execute this. So I would like to pay a thank you note to Today's Bangla. आप देखते रहिए, प्यार देते रहिए और हमें फॉलो करते रहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
আজ আমরা শুনে নিলাম কলকাতা হিরো প্রেজেন্ট আও গুফতগু করে শোয়ের কিছু ইন্সপায়ারিং স্টোরি। আর আপডেট পাওয়ার জন্য দেখতে থাকুন টুডেস বাংলা। ক্যামেরায় বিপ্লবের সাথে আমি সঙ্গমিত্রা।